A three-judge panel of the Court of Appeal here in London has ruled against the British government's attempt to block a legal challenge over the banning of protest group Palestine Action. That ban came into effect in July, making it an offence under terrorism legislation to be a member of the group or even to show support for the group. Well, the government had contended that any challenge should be heard in front of a special tribunal rather than through the courts. That was rejected, meaning that a full judicial review set for the end of November can now go ahead on the grounds principally that the ban represents a disproportionate interference with the right of free expression and free assembly as set out under the European Convention of Human Rights.
I'm very reassured that the government has failed again to try and crush not only the pro-Palestine movement in this country, but the most basic principles of democracy in this country, the rule of law, the right to freedom of speech, freedom of assembly. The courts have agreed that the judicial review can continue, which means there is plausible grounds that the process of prescribing Palestine Action was flawed and may itself have been unlawful.
Separately, an already overburdened court system is struggling to make room for an enormous caseload generated by the ban on Palestine Action. Some 2,100 people have been arrested in demonstrations since July in support of the group. Many of them are elderly pensioners charged with terrorism offences, low level, albeit, like displaying an item supportive of a banned organisation, a T-shirt or a banner that could land them with 6 months in prison. Well, hearings are due to begin in March next year. That is, unless the ban is lifted sooner. Jonah, Al Jazeera, London.
Don't miss out. Get the full picture. Subscribe to Al Jazeera for reliable news, expert insight. Like, share, stay ahead.